Hello everyone. So welcome to my channel. So here there is a problem. So this is on polynomials. So I got this problem from AMC. So AMC is a popular math contest. You can search on internet. So it's American mathematical contest. Okay. So it appeared this year 2022. So let us try to solve this problem. So px equal to x power 2022 plus x power 1011 plus 1. So they have asked which of the following polynomial is a factor of this polynomial px, right? So if we observe at the polynomial, you can see that 2022 is nothing but 2 times of 1011, right? So if we assume y to be x power 1011, then px we can write as y square plus y plus 1, right? But seeing this, we can recall one formula, right? So if you recall that y cube minus 1, so y cube minus 1 is nothing but this px times y minus 1, right? Y square plus y plus 1. So from here we can write y square plus y plus 1 is nothing but as a fraction of two polynomials, y cube minus 1 by y minus 1, right? So if I substitute back in the form of x, then we can write px as, so y cube, y is x power 1011, so x power 3033 minus 1 divided by x 1011 minus 1, right? So this is how we can do. So the thing is, so suppose a polynomial qx, so you have to find which are the following polynomials factor px, right? So suppose qx divides px, right? So qx divides px implies that qx must divide x power 3033 minus 1, but qx must not divide the lower part, right? Must not divide x power 1011 minus 1. Otherwise, this will be we will not get back this p of x, right? Okay, so now we know one result, that if any polynomial okay, so there is a claim, so let us claim one result, right? So suppose a polynomial of the form x power a minus 1 divides x power b minus 1, right? So this is true if and only if a divides b. So let us prove this claim. So it will be helpful for us, because okay, I'll tell you in a later on stage why it is helpful. So if a divides b, right? So suppose let us assume that a divides b. So if I assume a divides b, then b equal to some a power k, right? So this is true. Okay. So next what we have is if we write x power b minus 1, so this is nothing but now a power k minus 1, right? Okay. So now what we can do is that we have to show that it is divisible by x power a minus 1, right? So what we can do, one thing is, okay, so we can use the vanishing method. So here we have x power a minus 1, right? So what we have to multiply with? We have to multiply x power, so we are having addition, right? So x power, okay, we need some more space, so let me, x power a k minus 1, right? So then only when you multiply with x power a minus 1, then we will have x power a k, right? Because we are having addition. So it is nothing but, so here also we need some more space. Let me put this down. Okay, so it is x power a k minus x power a k minus 1, right? Then we have to adjust it, so it's plus a k minus 1. Then next, in the next step of the vanishing method, we will have x power a k minus 2, right, times x power a minus 1. So it will be minus x power a k minus 2 and so on. We have to adjust, and last we'll get -1. So here also we'll get something, and I think the last one, this will decrease like this, so it is x. So you can calculate the last term. So here something will be there, so some star, so that you have to see what is the adjustment. So here you can have some x power a times x power a k minus 1. So this part I am leaving for you, so you can check, you can complete the remaining things. So what is the star, you can check, right? So x power a divides x power a minus 1 divides x power b minus 1. Similarly, if you have x power a divides so if you assume the other way around, that x power a minus 1 divides x power b minus 1, so implies there exists some polynomial, right, qx, or let us use small qx, such that x power a minus 1 times qx equals x power b minus 1, right? But qx has some expansion, right? So it's x power n, okay, not, yes, it is monomial because, sorry, it is a monic term, right? The coefficient is 1 because x power b is 1. So plus some maybe a0 x power n minus 1 and so on. Maybe the last term is a not a okay, you can take it. 0 is with this thing. So some scalar, you can adjust the scalar. So now if you see that if it has to match power x power b, then we have x power, we have to multiply, right? So this for example, what we are having, what I wanted to say is, so if you have x power, here you have to multiply with x power b, right? So here it is, if you have a coefficient like this times this, so it will be this plus this should be equal to b, right? So whatever you have, so what we have is a plus n should be equal to b, right? So we have to adjust the power. So this will also imply that this divides a divides b. So here I am not exactly completing the proof. So this one you think and let me know in the comments. So I from here we can show that x power that a divides b. So we'll use this lemma, or you can use this claim. So now we can see that the prime factorization, you can, if we look at the prime factorization, that is 1011, so that is nothing but 3 times 337, and 3033 is nothing but 3 times of that, so it's 3 square 337, right? So we can check that if we take 337, then, so what I wanted to say, if I take this as the quotient, as the polynomial, then this will divide x1011, right? But that I don't want. I can't also take x cube minus 1. This also I can't take, these two things, because these two things divides x power 1011 minus 1, right? So the only option is x power 9 minus 1. So this polynomial works. So this polynomial I can take, right? But what is the thing is, we can further expand x power 9 minus 1 as x cube minus 1 times x power 6 plus x cube plus 1. So this will divide, but let us see what options we have. So the options are x cube, x power 6 plus x cube plus 1. So that matches with E, right? So this E is the correct option. Okay. So this E is the correct option, and you can, here also you can write. So this gives E. Okay. So here I am not completing the proof of the claim. So I have just given you an idea. From here you have to write why it is always true, the other way condition is. So more or less this is the solution. So hope you will find this solution interesting, and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting problems. Thank you.